Welcome back to my channel. The beautiful pattern in front of you is called the red chevron stitch. It's these beautiful gentle waves, and I've made this in 3 different colors so that you can see it better. So this is the one side, and this is totally reversible. In order to make this, you will require a multiple of 12 chain, and to that you need to add 3 more. So grab your hook and grab your yarn and let's make this. At this stage, I'd like to take the opportunity to invite you to subscribe to this channel that is updated on a weekly basis with free tutorials and free patterns just like the one we're doing today. Hit like, hit comment, hit subscribe. You can slow down this video in the settings or speed it up. Okay, so let me just move that out of the way. So I did mention in order to make this you need a multiple of 12. And to that 12, you need to add 3 more chain. So today I'm going to make 24. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And to this 24, I'm adding 3 more. 1, 2, 3. For row 1, skip the first 3 chain. And into the next, the 4th chain, make 1 double crochet. So row 1 goes immediately into the pattern. You'll make 1 more double crochet in the next stitch. Now you're going to make 2 double crochet together. I'm going to show you how to do this. For 2 double crochet together, yarn over, go into your chain stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go through 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over, go into the next chain, pull up a loop. You will have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go through the first 2 loops, yarn over and go through the last 3 loops on your hook. That is 2 double crochet together. You're going to repeat that over the next 2 chain. Remember, it's yarn over and 2 together. Once you've done that, please make 1 double crochet in the next 3 chain. In the next chain, make 2 double crochet into that 1 chain. In your following chain, make 2 double crochets again. 1 double crochet in the next 3 chain, in each of the next 3 chain. So that's 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 together in over the next 2 chain. Repeat that again, 2 double crochet, 2 together over the next 2 chain. 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. One, two. So this is how we've come along. In your last stitch, you're going to make 2 double crochet. And this is row 1. Now if your row is bigger, when we started this row, we made where we had the three double crochet, 2 double crochet together over 4 chain. You will have a repeat pattern from the 3 double crochets and then 2 double crochets together up until 3 double crochet. You will repeat if it's too long. For row 2, chain 3 and turn your work. Chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. Into your very first stitch, make 1 double crochet. For the rest of your row, you're going to only work in the back loops. So this is the back loop. So this is the front loop here, and this is the back loop here to the back. 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to make 2 double crochet, 2 together over the next 2 stitches. And again, repeat that. 2 double crochet, 2 together over the next 2 stitches. I have it now. Now you're going to make 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Or should I say in each of the next 3 stitches. 2 double crochet in the next stitch. And repeat that in the next stitch. Don't forget you're working in the back loops. Now you're going to make 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Two double crochet, 2 together over the next 2 stitches, and repeat in the next 2 stitches, 2 double crochet, 2 together. One double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. In your last stitch, please work through both loops. So the last stitch, I'm sorry, I actually have to find it a bit. Please work through both loops. You will repeat row 2 until you get to your desired length. So it's repeat row 2 until, no matter how long you want it, just continue to repeat. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to enjoy crocheting, like, comment, subscribe, share, all of the above. Most importantly, enjoy crocheting. This is the Queen Phoenix, out.